you so much for joining me for the 4th week of my segments in preparation for the release of my book that I'm writing, which is entitled Live Now, and that'll be out sometime mid-December. For past segments, please, I encourage you to go to YouTube and look under Real 3 Minutes, and you can see some of my past videos. But what I want to do right now is speak today on one of the most dearest subjects to me, which is building genuine relationships. And that's a big one for me because it took me some years to really realize what that meant. So I'm going to share with you what that means to me. And there's 3 key points I've learned over my lifespan that build genuine relationships of any kind: friendships, co-workers, business partners. Point number 1 is to communicate. Really communicate. Do not set false expectations of each other, and most of all, do not assume. That's the mother of all mistakes. I make that mistake a lot, and I'm trying hard not to assume. But communicate. That's a real big one. You know, with that, I ask you to, we talked in the past, I'm going to bring it back to one part of it, is speak the truth in love and communicate. Don't just blurt it out. Think about what you're going to say, but definitely share that so that you don't have any false expectations. I guarantee you that alone will help build a better relationship. That's point 1. Point 2 is 50-50. It's a big one for me. In a relationship, if you're the one always making the effort, you're going to end up getting your feelings hurt, you're going to get frustrated. The other person, vice versa, they're going to get frustrated with you. Really work hard on having a balance. You try, they try. Sometimes they need to pick up, sometimes you need to pick up. But if you really work hard on building that, communicate with each other, you end up both helping and bringing out the best in each other. And again, any kind of relationship. And the third point is, take responsibility for your relationships. If they're not working, don't point fingers. You have just as much control. If you find it too draining, then it's not a genuine relationship. Dissolve it. Move forward. Take a break. But don't just stay in the same thing and complain or vent about that relationship when you're the one that has a equal amount of effort that you can put in. So I take responsibility for that. So if it's not what you want, either make an effort to communicate, put in the extra effort, 50-50, or it's just not the right time or the right person to have in your life. So really think about those 3 key points. This week, as you go into it, look at the most important people in your life. And are they making it 50-50? Do they put in like you put in? Do they communicate? Can you better your communication? And take responsibility. Own it. This is our lives, everybody. Live Now is about taking ownership of our lives. We can be influenced by others, circumstances, situations, absolutely. But at the end of the day, we have a choice. Maybe it's not always the easy one, but it's up to us. So thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this part about being genuine and building genuine relationships. I look forward to seeing you in future weeks to come as we release the book, Live Now. Have a great day. Keep it real. Keep it simple.